So yeah, he's super easy. He normally, he comes up really slow, but then he basically ends up like sitting next to you and asking to be pet. Good boy, man. And there I sit down and lean against you. Is he leaning into you? Of course. Please. Okay.